Hey everybody, Aaron Cowan, Sage Dynamics. Today I'm taking a look at the S3F drop-in Glock barrels. The S3F Solutions barrel is threaded to accept a suppressor if that's what you're in the market for. It's 4/16 stainless steel 1 in 10 twist SAMI spec rifling as opposed to the Glock standard polygonal rifling. They're available in a number of finishes. You can check those out on the S3F Solutions website. I'll put the address up at the end of the video. Let's see how this thing shoots. Alright, so the barrel came to me from Paul Van Dunk at Pace Performance. He did a quick review on it. I don't believe he cleaned it. Doesn't look like he cleaned it. I dropped it into a stock Glock 17 that hasn't been cleaned in about 6,000 rounds. Now I'm going to put about 200 rounds through this barrel before I do my accuracy check. I'll be shooting 115 grain MagTech. I'll be doing the accuracy check with 124 grain gold dot. Now let's see how we did. Well, it's not Van Dunk quality, but I'd say it's pretty good. Alright, first thing out of the way, I had to do my accuracy check with 115 grain MagTech. I forgot my gold dot. So if anybody was watching the video and noticed that the brass was brass in color and not the traditional gold dot silver in color, that's why. So shot it with 115 grain MagTech. MagTech's pretty good ammo. What do I think about the S3F Solutions barrel? I like it. I do. I personally am not in the market for threaded barrel because I don't run suppressors on handguns. But if you're in the market for that, or you want to get away from the polygonal rifling of the Glock barrels, this is a really good choice. 1 in 10 twist gives you a really good consistent grouping for practical ranges and for precision if you're into, bench rest shooting or things of that nature. Me personally, I'm more of a practical accuracy over precision accuracy when it comes to the handgun, so that's not something I'm going to appreciate as more as some other people will. But it's a very good choice on the market. If there was anything I didn't like about the barrel, it's a barrel. I honestly don't have any particulars. It ran reliably for the time that I had it. It ran reliably for the rounds that I put through it, but it's only one piece of a greater machine. The barrel itself seems to be very, very, very well in spec. I didn't notice any additional wear points on the slide when I took it down. So if you're in the market again, I do recommend this as an option that you would definitely consider. I'm Aaron Cowan with Sage Dynamics. Trade accordingly.